In this video, we're going to draw dot diagrams. So the idea will be the same as other statistical graph. Again, select the second last tool here and select statistics graph. Click and drag the size that you want and do a right click. So first we will key in the labels. Alright, so in this case, we will click the labels at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. As for the data, we will key the frequency 2, 5, 3, 11, 4, 3, 1, or any frequency that you want. So on the first column, if you left click on it first to select it, do a right click at A here, and we will set this as the label. As for B, click to select, right click, and set it to data. Okay, so this step is very important. So we know that these numbers are labels and these numbers are data. So we want to do a dot diagram. So we'll click on this statistical figure here and select dot diagram, which is this one, and press OK. Now you realize that nothing came out because we have not selected what data we are using. So for the first question mark, you can left click on it. For the data, we are using column B. Yes, everything is done by columns. And here you can also choose the size of the dots, okay, and the colors of the dots. Okay, once that's okay, let's just do a preview by pressing OK. So the scale is not really correct. So you right click again. And now let's adjust everything. Okay, for the y-axis, definitely we don't want the scale and we do not want to show the axis. In this case, we also don't need the arrows. So axis style, we will click the very first one. For the x-axis, we'll call it number of books. For the y-axis, we call it number of students or frequency. For the scale, so here let us adjust the scale range from x-axis 0 to 6, y-axis 0 to 12. Right. Okay. As for the grid, we do not want any grid for dot diagrams. And once we are done, press OK. And there we go. You realize that we actually don't want italics, so we right click again, and you can actually choose as normal, right click. Down here, you can also choose as non-italicized. Okay, so that's how it will look like. And once you are happy with it, just press OK. Use the select tool. You can adjust the size that you prefer. And so that's how we do the dot diagram.